Hello all, I myself Mohan Kumar, Assistant Professor, Computer Science Department, Srimati Shri YER GFGC, Pavagada. My today's topic is arrays in PHP. It's an continuation class. In this session, we are going to learn about how to create index-based or numeric arrays and associative arrays. Session outcome: after this session you would be able to create numeric and associative arrays. Indexed or numeric arrays. Numeric arrays can store numbers, strings and any objects. An indexed or numeric arrays store each array element with a numeric index. To create such numeric or index-based arrays, we need to specify only list of values instead of key value pairs. The PHP engine automatically assigns a numeric key to each value. So in case of this, the key values always start with 0. So that is, the index of these numeric arrays or index arrays always start with 0 and increases by 1 for each array element. These index arrays or numeric arrays can be created by following ways, that is by using array construct or by using short array syntax or even by assigning values to numerical indices. Creating an indexed or numeric arrays using array construct. In PHP, an array construct is used to create an array. So here is an example. Here I am going to create an array called course by using the array constructor. So just observe here, within this parenthesis I have specified only some values. So here I have specified only some values without specifying the key values. So when I specify only some values without specifying keys, your PHP engine will automatically assign some key values to these elements, that is indices values to these elements, that is starting from 0. For Leo it assigns some automatic key value 0, and Spark it will assign 1, and for the Scorpio element it will assign 2. Like this, your PHP engine will automatically assign some key values to the arrays. If no key is specified, PHP automatically assigns a numeric value to the keys, thus creating a numeric arrays. So this is how we can create a numeric or indexed arrays by using the array construct. So here is an example for creating an array by array construct. So in this example, first we can see that here is an array. This is an array is a variable. So for which I have assigned a array construct with empty parenthesis. If I assign this empty parenthesis, if I put this empty parenthesis without having any values within this parenthesis, then this will create an empty array. Hence this array is an empty array. So in second example, here I am creating an array called course, for which I am assigning some values along with the array construct. So by using this array construct, within a parenthesis I have specified a few values. By this way also we can create a numeric or index based arrays. So here we need to observe here we are not specified any key values to these elements. So intrinsically internally your PHP will automatically assigns key values to these array elements. Always the indices will start from 0 in numerical or index based arrays. creating indexed or numeric arrays using short array syntax. A shortcut for array language construct is a pair of square brackets, that is this is open square bracket and this is closed square brackets. By using this shortcut or short array syntax, we can create a numeric or index based arrays. So in this example, I am using this short array syntax. I am using this short array syntax to create a numeric arrays. So here a cars is an array, and that will be assigned for that. I am going to assign a array which was created by using a short array syntax. So within this open square bracket and closed square bracket, there I have specified some values. These values will be elements of an array, and again here also we are not specifying any key values. Your PHP engine will automatically assign key values to numeric key values to these elements of an array. So in this way also we can create an array. Observe here we have not used any array construct. Instead of array construct, here we are using short array syntax, that is open square bracket and close square brackets. Within these open and close square brackets, we have mentioned few values which are elements of a array. In PHP, we can also create an array by assigning values, that is creating an indexed or numeric arrays by assigning values. So here I am assigning this value to a variable with index 0. So here I am assigning this value to the variable with some numerical indices. In this way also we can create an array. So now this is the first element in this course array, and this is the second element in this course array, and Scorpio is the third element in course array, and so on. So in this way also in PHP we can create an array where we are creating this array by assigning some value to the numeric indices with the numeric indices. Okay, just observe here I have used some empty square brackets. So here I have not specified any index value. In this case, this value, that is your Maruti, this value will be appended at the end of the array. It will be appended at the end of the array. This is the last element of an array. If you want to append any value at the end of the array, in such cases we need not required to specify any indices value. If we left blank, that value will be automatically appended or assigned at the end of an array. Assigning a value to an array, omitting the index will append the new element at the end of array. So in these ways we can create indexed or numeric arrays in PHP. Next we want to associative arrays. The associative arrays will have their index as string, so that we can establish a strong association between keys and values. Associative arrays have strings as keys and behave more like two-column tables. In this two-column table, the first column is key, which is used to access the value of an array. Note that in PHP, internally your PHP treats all arrays, whether it may be a numerical arrays or associative arrays. Your PHP internally treats both the arrays as a associative array itself. So in case of associative arrays also, there are different ways to create an associative arrays. They are using array construct, using short array syntax, assigning a value to non-numeric indices. There are the three different ways to create your associative arrays. Let us look into them one by one. Well, let us know how to create an associative array by array construct. To create an associative array with the array construct, use the symbol like equal sign followed by greater than symbol to separate indices, that is keys, from values. So here is an example. Your price is an array variable. So this array is being created by using an array construct followed by a parenthesis. Within a parenthesis, there will be a key and value pairs. These key and value pairs are separated by this symbol, that is equal sign and followed by greater than symbols. In this way, we can create any number of elements to the array. So here I have placed 3 elements in an array. We can have any number of arrays. The only thing is, here we need to separate these key values with the values of array by using this symbol. So this shows the strong relationship between the keys and the value of that element. The operator equal sign followed by greater than symbol is used to assign each element a string index. The value to the left of the operator, this operator is an array index. This is an array index or a key. The value to the right of the operator, is the element's value. So in this way, we can create an associative array with the help of array construct. Creating associative array using a short array syntax. Creating an associative array using a short array syntax. So here the price is an array variable. For this, I am going to create an array with the help of short array syntax. As we all know that to create an array using short array syntax, there instead of that array construct, we are using open and close square brackets. Within this open and close square brackets, there we are going to specify the key and value pairs. And again, these key and value pairs are separated by this symbol, that is equal sign and a greater than symbol. So this specifies the relationship between key and a value. So in this way, we can have any number of elements in my array, that is in terms of keys and values, and these values are separated with a comma. So this is the second method to create your associative arrays in PHP. Creating associative array by assigning values. So creating an array element by element. So it is the third method in which we can create an array by assigning the values to the array variable with non-numeric indices. So here the price is an array for which I am going to assign this value with non-numeric indices. So in this way also we can add any number of elements to the associative array. Here also it gives a strong relationship between key and a value pair. So this is the third method to create your associative array in PHP. Creating multi-dimensional associative arrays. It is an example for creation of multi-dimensional associative arrays. So in this example, marks is an array variable for which I have created an array by using array construct. So for this array construct, I have 3 keys, that is Akhil, Malik and Vikas. These 3 are keys of this marks array. So these keys will be assigned or will be related to values, where the values are again arrays. The values are again arrays. See this Akhil indices is associated to the value called array, associated to the value where the value are again an array, and Malik index or Malik indices is associated to another array, and because is again a key for your marks array, it will be associated to another array. So in this way we can create multi-dimensional associative arrays. So in case of this, if you want to access or identify any individual element of one multi-dimensional array, in such cases we can use these indices values, these index values along with the array names. Suppose I want to access the marks of Akhil's, access the physics marks of Akhil, then I need to access with the help of array name followed by index Akhil, and next index, that is your second index, is physics. In that way we can access the value of a multi-dimensional array. So it's our time to summarize the things what we have covered in this session. So in this session we learned how to create a numeric and associative arrays. That's all for today's session. Thank you.